Hi friends, let's do some math. Today we're going to be doing some subtracting using a hundreds chart. You might have been practicing using addition on a hundreds chart. Subtracting is going to be very similar. This is a great strategy if we are subtracting within 100. However, if we are getting to numbers larger than that, this is not going to be the best strategy. Let's get started. Let's say, for example, we are subtracting 100 minus 42. The first step you're going to do is go ahead and find those two numbers, starting with 100, right down here, and 42, right over here. The way I like to do this strategy is by marking those two numbers first, because after all, subtraction is known as the difference. We want to find the difference between 100 and 42. I'm going to show you a few ways to do this, but starting with our difference. One way we're going to do this is by using our elevator system and using across the road. We can go from 100 and go backwards to 42, or start at 42 and go over to 100. You know me, I like to add when I'm trying to find that difference. Yes, I know it's subtraction, but remember, subtraction and addition are those twins. They go forwards and backwards in facts families. Let's get started. We're at 42. Let's jump down to that row of 100. We're going down that elevator, which means we're adding by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Next, we're going across the street, so we're adding by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 floors down is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps over is 8. We're going to put these two digits together, 5 tens and 8 ones. Our correct answer is 58. Now you might be saying, Ms. Reynolds, why don't we start at 100 and go back 42? I don't know. Let's try it. See what you think. Starting at 100, we're going to go back 42. Since we're subtracting tens, we're going to go up that elevator system. 10, 20, 30, 40. Last but not least, we need to go back that 2 last jumps across the road. 1, 2. Wait a second. Isn't it interesting that we landed on our same digit, 58, as our final answer? This is a great strategy to do if you'd like to, or you can do this strategy like we did at the beginning. Both answers are going to get us our same numbers, 100, 42, 58. Maybe you might even notice that 100 minus 58 would also equal 42. These numbers are interchangeable. This is a great strategy for our visual learners and a great strategy if you are subtracting within 100. Remember, the hundreds chart works great if we have numbers below 100. However, if those numbers get larger, this strategy will not work. Good luck.